Today we are going to make a decoction or kahwa for cough, cold and fever, and we'll need tulsi leaves or holy basil leaves, cloves or lavang, a cup of water and some black salt. We'll add the water to a utensil or a patila. We're going to simmer this water and then break the cloves by hand into the water. And once we are done with this, now we'll tear the tulsi leaves also into small pieces by hand and put in this water. We will now simmer this water till the water quantity becomes half. So we have kept the water for simmering, and we're going to simmer this water on low or same flame till the water becomes half. We took 1 cup and we are going to stop heating it or simmering it when the quantity remains half a cup. The decoction or the kahwa will change in color to a light brown one, and once it is done, the quantity is reduced to half right now, so we're going to strain it out into a cup, and we're going to, there it is, we're going to add slightly less than 1/4 of a teaspoon. Those who have high blood pressure do not add black salt or any salt, avoid it. So we're going to stir this, have this twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. It has to be had as hot as possible. Do not take anything or eat anything for 15 minutes before drinking this or after this. Hope you like the video. Do try this recipe. It's very effective. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. And please share this recipe. Thank you.